So I've got this little 1990 Festiva, sat for quite a while, and put a fuel pump in it, and then a few basic things like an oil flush or whatever. And I'm getting ticking from the engine, but I've already done everything that I could think of to do. It's got new rod bearings. I'm pretty sure it's got good oil pressure. I can't remember if we tested it or not. And it's got lash adjusters, cleaned the passages in the cam, and all that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna start it up and let you guys listen to it. I don't know if maybe there's just something that I missed. I'm hoping it's just something like Festiva specific that I don't know. I do have a full service mechanic shop. We mostly specialize in like big Super Duty Fords. So maybe there's just something that I'm missing here. Let's crank it up so you can hear it. So definitely sounds like a top end tick to me, and it does seem to get louder with the oil cap off. I mean, to me it sounds like it's right in there. But yeah, I don't know. Like I said, maybe there's something Festiva specific. I remember definitely checking the springs inside here, the springs that push the rockers apart, making sure none of them were pinched on the bearing surfaces when we put it back in. I can't remember the brand name of the lash adjusters that we put in there. It was just something on Rock Auto. I think it was one of the only ones available. So maybe it's possible that those aren't a good aftermarket. I don't know. I really am pretty sure the noise sounds exactly the same as before I tried everything that I've done. So I don't know if it's helped at all. But anyway, if you have any ideas, I would love to hear it. I've got a car show coming up for this thing. I know it's way rough, but anyway, everybody still loves it. So I'd love to get this thing to where I'm comfortable driving it around for the winter time too. So the kids love riding in it and stuff like that. But yep, thanks for watching.